here at Whittier Area Community Car Show. Brought our dragster out here to show people what drag racing is all about in the Nostalgia Series. We're going to fire it up a couple times for them today and hopefully have a great time. We're going to be here till about 3 o'clock, so we'll see how it goes. Showed up a day early to unload our stuff. That way we don't have to deal with everyone else at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. A good family day, you know, they come out and spend a day with each other and just have a good time. Put the kids in the cars, let them take pictures and, you know, play around inside of them and just kind of get acclimated with the cars. And this event is put on by Good Vibrations. They help me out with my racing program, so it kind of works out. You know, I'm out there advertising for my business and also helping out theirs too, so it's a win-win situation for both of us.
You'll see Bobby Cottrell. He's got a beautiful dragster. He's won his own championships in the NHRA Heritage Series, I believe 2 in a row, as well as the California Hot Rod Reunion and numerous other races. And Jim LeBus is here, and he's going to tell you a little bit about the car.
Yes, the car is a ground-up build from Bobby Cottrell himself over at BC Perform. We're going to fire it up and rattle your teeth a little bit. Bobby, go ahead and do it.
I just want to thank my sponsors for supporting me throughout the year and you know, for the ongoing races. BT Racing Transmissions, Lucas Oil, DJ Safety, Aeromotive, and Good Vibrations.